Hello everyone. Let's start solving today's Leetcode daily challenge question. So the question is n repeated elements in size 2n array. So you are given an integer array nums with the following properties. Nums dot length is 2n and nums contains n plus 1 unique elements. Exactly one element of nums is repeated n times and we have to return that element that is repeated n times. Okay. So it is a easy level question. So let's start. So consider we have n elements. Okay, to an the size is 2n. Okay, let's say I have a b c d e f g h. Size is 8. Okay, my size is 8. Now what is given, then what is n is my 4. So 4 elements will be repeated. Let's consider these are same. So I will write c and c. Okay, let's say, or let me write like this. Let's say we have c and c. Okay, 4 elements are repeated, so consider c is repeating, and total what unique elements are n plus 1, so unique elements are 5. So which are 5? A B C D and C. A B C D and G. Okay, so here this will be our array. What pattern you see is only one element will be repeating. There will be no other elements which will be same. Okay, so only C is going to repeat. So we don't need to really count the number. We just have to check if that element exists or not. If there is any one element also if there, then we can say yes, that is our answer. Okay, you got it right. So size is 8, n will be 4. Okay, and total n plus 1 unique elements are there. So n elements plus 1. Okay, so total 5. Okay, out of 5 my remaining is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. So n was 4 and one element from 5 is repeating 4 times. That's it. So I will take one set of integer. St is equal to new hash set, let's say. And what we'll do for int num from nums. Okay. What I'll check if my st dot contains num. Agar okay, sorry. If it contains my set contains the num, I will return that. That is my answer. That's it. And else I will add that num. Okay, add in this. So what happens? So initially I added a in my set. Again b was there. Okay, b, does my set contains b? No. So I'll add b, I'll add c, I'll add d. Again I got c. So it contain my set contains c. So I'll return c. That's it. And here it will not come, but I'll write -1. And let's run this. Yes, accepted. Let me submit this solution. Yes, that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video, subscribe my channel, stay updated. Thank you.